Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about complete leave policies and the total benefits which Accenture provides to their employees. So let's discuss in details what kind of leave benefits they are providing and any sort of other benefits also we'll be discussing later on. So basically they are providing sick leave, maternity leave, then any kind of maternity leave, miscarriage or surrogacy. This kind of leaves depending upon the situation and scenario they are providing. For maternity leave it can be up to like 26 weeks, and for miscarriage or any kind of operation it is 6 weeks, or it is like 2 weeks. Surrogacy leaves is 26 weeks. Then apart from this they also give secondary caregiver leaves, which is 15 working days, and these are the condition like at the time, at any time after the date of delivery of the child, but not later than 3 months of the date of birth. So they give 15 working days of leave. For which is called secondary caregiver. Next is bereavement leaves, which is a kind of any mishappening or any kind of death occurs in the family, they will give you approximately of 3 working days in for each situation. Then we have adoption leaves, which is 26 consecutive weeks they will be providing, and this is the situation and the scenario also you can go through. The adoption or ward leave must begin within 3 months of the adopted child. Okay, being placed with the eligible employee. Then they have compensatory of like a compensatory of should be availed within 6 weeks from the original date, which you have worked on. Then the holidays is 10 holidays in a calendar year, which is 8 is fixed, and 2 floating holidays in a calendar year, which any employee can avail. Apart from this, we also have, I mean, the company also provides like reimbursement of work from home, internet. If someone is working from home, the internet expenses are, I think, approximately up to 1,000. They give reimbursement, and then they also have medical, which you can say insurance for your insurance individual, which is approximately up to which is I guess 2 lakhs. So yeah, so this is all the benefits which Accenture provides to their employees for a healthy work-life balance. So yes, in case you have doubts or query, let me know and do share with your friends. I thought to share this kind of information with you so it gets easier for you to choose company like Accenture. This is one of the great company to work with. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and yeah, do share with your friends. Have a great day guys, be safe.